A for apple, apple means Sev. B for bowl, bowl means Gent. C for cat, cat means Billy. D for dog, dog means Kuta. E for elephant, elephant means Hathi. F for fish, fish means Mashali. G for grapes, grapes means Anger. H for hen, hen means Murji. I for ice cream, ice cream means ice cream. J for jug, jug means jug. K for kite, kite means patang. L for lion, lion means sure. M for monkey, monkey means bender. N for nest, nest means ghosla. O for orange, orange means santra. P for parrot, parrot means toda. Q for queen, queen means Rani. R for rabbit, rabbit means Kagosh. S for sun, sun means Suraj. T for train, train means Railgadi. U for umbrella, umbrella means Chata. V for van, van means van. W for watch, watch means Gadi. X for Xmas, Xmas means Xmas tree. Y for yak, yak means yak. Z for zebra, zebra means Zebra Goda.